Hello, everyone. こんにちは. I'm home. Today, I want to tell you like magic water. This water using chicken breast. My family don't like chicken breast cause not oily and dry and not soft texture. But can change when using this magic water. It's need a marinade time but easy effort. Give it a try. And today I want to tell you one more thing. Have you ever heard mentyu? This is one of the major Japanese seasoning. You can make any Japanese food when you get it. Mentyu recipe is easy. You should make and keep it. So, let's cook this chicken breast and using scissor leaves and cheese. Next, I make sauce. That's mentyu and mayonnaise mix. It's done today's cooking. I made magic water, mentyu, and chicken breast meal. How do you think? My family love it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.